Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makisa and I am a mental health as well as marriage and family counselor. Today's topic is going to focus on children and mental health. The psychological health of our children and youth is being impacted now more today than ever before. In my profession, I encounter children from very young up until high school age that struggle with their mental health. How early is too early to begin having the conversation about mental health? What do you think? Guess what? It's never too early. In fact, the earlier you start having the conversation, the better. Growing up, I don't remember or recall my parents having specific conversations surrounding mental health, what it is, what can impact your mental health, and things of that nature. After all, they were doing the best that they can, and they were parenting based off of their experiences. Our children and youth today have had to deal with a lot more challenges, with things including social media, bullying, and even COVID. It's important to educate children on the meaning of mental health, which encompasses our social, psychological, and emotional well-being in a manner that they can understand. How we think, feel, and act is directly impacted by our mental health. Our decision-making, our ability to handle stress, and engage with others is related to our mental health. It's all tied together. So imagine as a child how you would navigate the world and the environment around you if you did not have a strong foundation created for you surrounding mental health. What would that look like? Our children need to know that their thoughts and feelings matter. No matter if you're feeling angry, scared, frustrated, sad, there needs to be a safe space for children to express themselves and process their emotions. You can't always wait for a child to initiate the conversation about what they're feeling, because oftentimes they may struggle with articulating with what's even going on. It's important to pick up on cues and encourage sharing. Teaching children how to be aware of and regulate their emotions when they arise is another factor that contributes to overall mental health and well-being. When a child is unable to identify how they feel and manage those intense feelings appropriately, it can increase the likelihood of them developing anxiety, depression, engaging in self-harm, or acting out behaviors. Children need to know that it is acceptable for them to verbalize when they're not doing okay and they're not in a good place. They also need to know that there are resources available to help them, and those resources can come from places like school, church, and your local community. When a child's mental health is compromised, it's so important to intervene early so as to prevent further distress and further mental decline. When it comes to our children and our youth, let's continue to promote mental health awareness and begin that conversation. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching.